Ah, you made it. You haven't been doing a lot of these shows, and I kind of missed you. It's good to see you. Hey, everybody's hungry. I guess we better make some food. I know that never happens at your house. So, what do we got? Well, the other day, the butcher had some magnificent looking bone-in pork ribs. Hello. Yeah, I need better equipment. I'm sorry about that. Beautiful bone-in pork ribs. And even though it is literally snowing outside, I decided to buy these and cook them up. So, what are my choices? Well, I can put them in the crock pot and use it as an oven. That's kind of neat. Thank you, America's Test Kitchen. Or I can do that Spanish tapas thing, which is to basically braise them in chicken stock, white wine, and bay leaves, and then top them with a relish of garlic and parsley. I think we'll do the latter. So, ta-da! Look. Because they're so small, thank you, Mr. Butcher. Yeah, I do appreciate having senior-sized portions from the butcher. I'm just using a regular pan with a lid. Hello. Yeah, I'm still here. And you can see that I got some very nice meat that's completely invisible to you over there. Let me see if I can do this without dripping all over the floor. So yeah, I browned this on both sides in oil. Put it meat side down in some chicken stock, white wine, and way too many bay leaves. And now we're just letting that cook up. It's going to be nice and tender, fall off the bone. And the trick is that once the meat's cooked, which isn't too long from now, I'm going to boil that sauce down and make it very concentrated. And then I'm going to add a couple of not chopped, but mashed up cloves of garlic. That's right, remember, technique creates flavor. If you mash your garlic, you get a much stronger flavor than gently chopping or coarsely chopping. Throw that in with some, what's that noise? Freshly chopped Italian parsley, a little bit of salt, some olive oil, and because of who I am, we're going to add some vinegar. So I'm going to make this little bit of a relish, and I'm going to mix it into the concentrated braising liquid. And that's going to be some ribs tonight. What are we having with that? Well, I actually kind of want to talk about this. Because here you see one of the ugliest things on earth, a slug. Okay, bread. Fresh bread. I do it backwards. I do it water first and then yeast, and then flour. And it just works, I get it to the right consistency, and it's dough, and it works. So that's 1 tablespoon of yeast. Yeah, that's a fair amount of yeast. 1 cup of warm water, a little bit of salt, splash, 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 and about 3.5, maybe 4 cups of flour, depending on the weather and everything. That's on some parchment paper. Oh yeah, I let it sit for a couple hours in a bowl underneath a wet paper towel while the dough hydrated and rose and blah blah blah. Yeah, we don't go a lot of details on the bread around here. We just do it. This bread's so easy. Yeah, I know, that's not going to make me popular. The bread's easy. Just give it a try, Bread's nothing more than a flour cake with a yeast infection. So, that's dinner tonight. You can make it with some Spanish-style mushrooms, a tomato salad, anything you want. Have a tomato arugula salad. It's one of my favorites. That, the ribs, little fresh bread. Pretty good stuff. The arugula salad. Buy some arugula, wash it, set it on the plate, salt, oil, slice up a tomato, put it on top, and then a little vinegar on that, and maybe some cheese if you're in the mood. Yeah, food's easy. It is that easy. So that's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe. Thank you, and we'll do some more of these.